In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language setting in Notebooklm. It's a straightforward process that should only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to work in a different language for practice or need to share your notebook with someone who speaks another language, this guide will help you make the necessary adjustments quickly and efficiently. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head over to myaccount.google.com. This is where you'll find all the settings related to your Google account. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with a myriad of options. Don't let them overwhelm you. We're just looking for one specific section today. The next step is to navigate to the Data and Privacy section. You can find this on the left-hand side menu of your screen. Click on it. This section is important as it encompasses a lot of the settings that govern how your data is managed and how your information is displayed online. Now, once you're in the Data and Privacy section, you want to scroll down until you find General Preferences for the web. It's a bit lower down the page, so don't worry if you have to scroll for a few moments. Once you've located it, you'll see that it covers various settings that tailor your web experience. This is where you can fine-tune several key preferences, including language settings. Within General Preferences for the web, click on Language. This option dictates the language used across various Google services, including Notebooklm. Selecting it will open a new screen where you can see your current language settings. In the Language Settings section, you'll be able to change the language to your desired choice. If you're switching to a different language, look for it in the list provided or utilize the search bar for efficient navigation. Click on the language you wish to set, and it will update across Google's platforms. The final step is to refresh Notebooklm. By refreshing the page, you ensure any changes made to the language settings are applied immediately. You can do this by simply clicking the refresh button on your browser or pressing F5 on your keyboard for a quick refresh. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language setting in Notebooklm. This small change can be incredibly useful and allows for a more inclusive and user-friendly experience, whether you're working on collaborative projects or just prefer using a different language. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one.